What's up, guys? So today in this video we got something special. We were blessed enough to be sent some goodies by KEMIMOTO, and what they are is not for this bike. This is a Super 73 that I'm currently using. This is for a Surron. Now what they are is two pieces. These CNC aluminum pegs, which are very similar to the ones you see. I just want to test them out to see if they are better or are they the same. And we have this special thing. It's called a lowering brace bracket with the brace bar in the middle. Really excited to check that out, simply because it's a mod for a taller rider, right? I'm 5'11". I'm gonna meet up with my boy Far. He's about 6 feet. We're gonna install it on his Surron and really see if it makes a difference. Shout out again to KEMIMOTO for sending me this product. What we're gonna do now is, once we meet up with Far, I'm gonna show you how I install them, and then I'm gonna give you my quick review on them, first impressions. So yeah, I'm excited to show you these products. All of the links will be linked below in the description if you're interested in buying. So let's freaking go. Is my guy.
My boy.
What's up, my brother? Late, bro. No, you're good, dude. I'm just over here getting some B-rolls. So that's the beast of the week. 72 volt, 40 amp hours. It's amazing, bro.
This thing is so sick and it's so quiet.
It's so quiet, dude, right?
And this thing is so sick. Hub motor, hey, yeah.
I love how I forgot how delivering. It's smooth. That's what it is. It's super smooth, like on the power deliverance. That's what Jay was telling me. Like,
look, I brought my KEMIMOTO gloves too.
No way.
Hopefully KEMIMOTO will send you a new one for me, because look, my shit ripped. But I love these gloves, bro.
Yeah.
These are such good gloves.
Great
summer gloves.
Great summer gloves as well. KEMIMOTO, let's go. Professional equipment. Here it is, stock bike. Yo, these are gonna get upgraded right here. We're gonna take these out. We're gonna take these out. We're gonna get the peg extenders. They're gonna go here. I'll show you, but it's actually a really easy setup. So the installation is not that much. So we have here our pegs, the lowering kit. We're gonna need some Allen head set, preferably. We're gonna use this wrench, needle set, and then the bolts that are included with. The first thing you want to do is remove these from both sides so we can start installing it, and then we'll put it back on the bike. So let's do that. Hex key 6, get these out. If this is your first time removing these bolts, these are, as you can see, there's like a blue line. These are with thread lock, so they might take a little force. You're not going to break them, trust me, but you want to be careful. You want to loosen these babies up. The second one. Oh, I just realized. Oh, wow. The lens barely got saved. On any inch more to the right, it would have fell. I mean, it would have cracked. So don't be like me, forgetting the kickstand. So what you can do if you're outside doing it, if you don't have a garage, put it against the gate. Alrighty. So that comes off. The fuck did I take? Oh, I pushed it. That's right. You gotta watch out for that. I'm butchering this right here. So I'm gonna take the washer out. I usually like to put this here. And then we kind of give it a little nudge. Now we're gonna take off the pegs. I should have bought some gloves. Alrighty. Get the pegs out. Keep all the... Okay. Alright. Whew. Yeah, you got the freshies. Wow, that thing looks nice. So how these fit? It will go like that, and then boom. So there's 4 fresh ones. Are they the same size? What are you doing? So these 2 will go from here to the actual, from the kickstand. Tighten those up, and then we'll do the same thing for the other side. This is one side done. These are nice and fresh, dialed down. The only thing is that kickstand. Alright, so this is probably the easiest part right here. We took this peg out, the right side peg. We had them pre-installed, so we don't have to take them out again. But with the brace, you see how there's a middle one that's occupied. So what I'm gonna do is, just for the sake that there's like a cable sensor in here, I'm gonna use this last row for it. Push it in there and hold that in, and just make sure it could turn in. Take the original bolts, you push them in. Alright, this is the most satisfying part. You're just tightening everything. Alright, push it till you can't, and then give it a little quarter turn. Push it till you can't, and then quarter turn. That was already super tight from... It's finished. That took about, like, what, 30 minutes? Okay. That's finished. That's how you install them. Now let's do a little review on them. All right, so first impression of these, I'm wearing them with the, okay. And you're taller than me too, right? You're like what, 6'1"? About 6'1". So, and I'm 6 and I'm 5'11". So, let's see if these lowering brackets are for much taller riders. All right, says app. Oh wow! Off the back, I can already feel like I've ridden this bike before. And I gotta say, my knees are much less to the ground. Oh, forgot. Wow. Whoa, man, these... I feel like I'm a little bit more suited for the bike. Well, I'm gonna ride them. This is not only a first impression, but honestly, I feel much more comfortable, right? Having 17-inch on these, having 17-inch supermotos on this Surron bike, what it does, it lowers it, right? So for a taller rider, it feels much more like a toy. But you know, it's a fun toy. But it feels like obviously my knees are like they used to be up here, as you can see. I miss my Surron. So my knees used to be up here a little, but now they're just sitting a little bit lower, which is much more comfortable. I think it'll be a game changer for those that like it. Wow, this is actually way more comfortable. So having these on my new Supermoto 17s are gonna feel like they're gonna feel much more appropriate for the bike. Whew. So after installing and doing a slight review, why not? After installing and doing a review on these pegs, I have to say I'm really impressed with the quality of the pegs, right? They seem very similar to the ones that you find like from like Amazon or the generic ones for eBay. These are just simple, as you saw, just pushed them in, replaced them. It was amazing. The lowering bracket is a nice little mod if you want a little bit more comfort on your knees, so you'll be your knees won't be so high up if you're a taller rider, which actually is beneficial. When Far was testing it, turning it, his pegs were not scraping on the floor even with 17-inch supermotos. Yes, if you have 17-inch supermotos and you get these lowering bracket, it will bring the kickstand up into an uncomfortable position. That's one thing I would say that you might want to consider getting. If you already have those adjustable kickstand, which are like $50, I'll put a link to the ones that I have on my bike, then you can work with that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this quick review helped you a little bit, and guys, remember to possibly in the next video, I will review these crazy KEMIMOTO headlights. They're huge, they're massive, and definitely stick around for that. But thank you guys for watching. I'm see you guys in the next video. Peace.